Hey Raj, guess what I did yesterday?
What?
I went shopping and I realized this is such an important topic for our channel shopping conversations in English.
Oh, yes, that's lesson 13, right? English conversation at a shop.
Exactly. So many people know English grammar, but when they actually go to a shop, they freeze. They don't know what to say.
True, even I get nervous sometimes, especially in big shopping malls. My mind just goes blank.
Same happens to a lot of people. That's why today we're going to cover almost every situation buying clothes, bargaining, electronic shopping, comparing products, and even returning something.
That's a lot. Okay, let's start from the beginning. When you enter a shop, what usually happens first?
The shopkeeper usually greets you and says, "May I help you?" or "How can I help you today?"
And what do we reply?
Simple. "Yes, I'm looking for a shirt." Or if you're not sure yet, "I'm just looking. Thank you."
Wait, what's the difference between those two?
I'm looking for means you want something specific. I'm just looking means you're only browsing, not ready to buy yet. Shopkeepers understand this immediately and give you space.
That's actually useful because sometimes I just want to browse without pressure.
Exactly. Okay, let's say I want to buy a shirt. What do I say next?
You can say, "Do you have this in a bigger size?" Or, "Can I see that blue one, please?"
Good. Okay, let's do a full role play. You be the shopkeeper, I'll be the customer buying a shirt.
Perfect, let's do it. Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm looking for a formal shirt for office.
Sure, what size do you wear?
I usually wear a medium. Do you have this in white?
Yes, we do. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. Where's the trial room?
It's right there on your left.
Okay, this fits well. How much does it cost?
It's 1200 rupees, but today we have a 10% discount.
Oh, nice. Okay, I'll take it. Do you accept cards?
Yes, we accept cards, UPI, and cash.
Great, I'll pay by card. See, Raj, that wasn't so hard.
Notice the key phrases we used. I'm looking for, do you have this in? Can I try this on? How much does it cost? And do you accept cards?
These are honestly the phrases people use every single time they shop for clothes.
Okay, now let's move to something different. Electronics shopping. This one is a bit trickier because there's more technical talk.
Oh, yes. I remember buying my phone last year. So many questions from the shopkeeper.
Right, let's do this scene. I'll be the shopkeeper this time. You're the customer buying a phone.
Okay, go ahead.
Welcome. Are you looking for a phone today?
Yes, I'm looking for a phone under 20,000 rupees. Good camera, please.
Sure, I have a few options. This one has a 50 megapixel camera and 8 gigabytes RAM.
Sounds good. How much storage does it have?
It comes in 128 gigabytes and 256 gigabytes.
I'll go with 128 gigabytes. Does it come with a warranty?
Yes, 1 year warranty, and we also offer screen protection for an extra 500 rupees.
Okay, I'll take the screen protection too. Can I pay in installments?
Yes, we have EMI options available.
See, notice these phrases. I'm looking for a phone under. Does it come with a warranty? And can I pay in installments? Very useful for any electronics shop.
Exactly. These sentences work for laptops, TVs, any gadget really.
Now let's talk about something else bargaining. In India, especially in local markets, people bargain a lot.
Oh, yes, my mother is a bargaining expert.
Mine too. So, what do we say when we think the price is too high?
We can say, "That's a bit expensive. Can you reduce the price?" Or, "Can you give me a discount?"
And sometimes shopkeepers say, "Sorry, this is a fixed price." That means the price cannot change.
And if they agree, they might say, "Okay, I'll give it to you for 800."
Exactly. Let's do one more small scene. Bargaining this time. I'll be the customer now.
Okay, I am the shopkeeper. Welcome, this bag is very nice. Only 2000 rupees.
That's a bit expensive. Can you reduce the price a little?
For you, I can give it for 1800.
Still high. What about 1,500?
Okay, final price 1600. Deal?
Deal. I'll take it.
See, that's how bargaining works in English too.
Perfect example. Now here's a situation a lot of people face. Comparing two products before buying. Let's say you can't decide between two options.
Oh, this happens to me every single time. I stand in the shop for 20 minutes just comparing.
Same. So what do we say? You can ask the shopkeeper, "What's the difference between this one and that one?"
And the shopkeeper might say, this one is more durable, but that one is cheaper.
Or you can say, "Which one do you recommend?" And they'll say, "I'd suggest this one. It's more popular."
Let's do this quickly as a scene. You're the shopkeeper. I'm confused between two bags.
These are our two best-selling bags.
What's the difference between this one and that one?
This one is leather, more durable, but a bit expensive. That one is fabric, lighter and cheaper.
Which one do you recommend for daily office use?
I'd suggest the leather one. It lasts longer.
Okay, I'll take your advice. I'll go with the leather one.
See, that's a very natural, real conversation people have every day while shopping.
True, and it sounds so simple once you know the sentences.
Now, one more useful situation. What if something is wrong with the product and you want to return it?
Good point. You can say, I'd like to return this. It doesn't fit properly. Or, this is damaged. Can I exchange it?
And the shopkeeper might ask, "Do you have the receipt?" Or, "When did you buy this?"
And you reply, yes, here's the receipt. I bought it yesterday.
Let's do this one too, quickly. I'm the customer, you're the shopkeeper.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, I bought this shirt yesterday, but it doesn't fit properly. Can I exchange it for a bigger size?
Sure, do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Great, let me check if we have a bigger size available. Yes, we do. Here you go.
Thank you so much.
See how smooth that was? Just a few simple sentences, and the whole situation is handled.
Exactly. So, friends, today we covered 4 situations: buying clothes, buying electronics, bargaining, comparing products, and returning an item. That's basically every shopping situation you'll ever face.
Wait, that's 5, not 4.
Okay, 5. Even better.
Honestly, if people just remember these sentences, they can survive any shop, any mall, anywhere in the world.
Exactly. So, friends, next time you go shopping, try using these exact sentences. I'm looking for. Can I try this on? Does it come with a warranty? Can you reduce the price? What's the difference between this one and that one? And can I exchange this?
And don't be shy. Even if you make a small mistake, just speak. That's how you improve. Shopkeepers won't judge you, trust me.
Very true. If this lesson helped you, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and comment which shop conversation you find most difficult. Buying, bargaining, electronics, or returning.
We'll pick a few comments and make a full lesson on it next time.
See you all in the next lesson.
Bye everyone. And Anjali, can we actually go shopping now after all this talking?
Let's finish recording first, Raj.
Fine, fine. Bye everyone.